Oke sobat, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang kembali di channel Klaus89. Oke, di video kali ini saya akan bagikan config terbaru lagi ya untuk Gcam Nikita versi 2.0, yaitu config blacklight. Jadi untuk hasilnya silahkan dilihat di belakang video ini ya. Dan untuk config plus Gcam ini support di banyak device, yaitu mulai dari Android 9 sampai bisa di Android 11 ya, MediaTek maupun Snapdragon. Oke, untuk settingan di config kali ini berbeda dari config sebelumnya ya. Silahkan dicoba. Untuk link downloadnya sudah saya sediakan di deskripsi. Dan untuk file confignya yaitu berformat zip ya, jadi nanti teman-teman bisa mengekstrak terlebih dahulu. Dan untuk file confignya saya kasih password ya. Jadi untuk passwordnya nanti teman-teman bisa juga kalian dapatkan di video ini. Oke, untuk confignya saya namakan config blacklight ya. Nah, untuk formatnya yang saya pakai yaitu YUV. Nanti di deskripsi ada dua link ya. Sesuaikan aja untuk handphone teman-teman ya. Untuk level kameranya itu di level apa? Oke, di sini saya menggunakan Redmi Note 10. Saya menggunakan yang format YUV. Dan untuk di video kali ini saya nggak ngasih tutorial untuk cara install dari awal ya. Silahkan cek di deskripsi juga untuk cara install atau pasang Google Kamera Nikita versi 2.0 mulai dari 0. Oke, langsung aja kita terapkan untuk file confignya dan kita lihat review hasilnya seperti apa config blacklight Nikita versi 2.0 by Klaus.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.